Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to create halftone effect. Okay, I will insert for example image. I will use this image, and if you want to create halftones, we need to convert this image into grayscale or black and white. You can go to image menu, click mode, and we use this grayscale tools. Click discard, and then you can click image again, click mode, and choose bitmap. In bitmap, you can set format method in it into halftone screen. You also here can set for output in here. We use default 72. Click OK, and we'll be sure for halftone screen. Now you can change frequency in here. Like I will set into 10 for frequency. You can set or set. Like I will use this RON. Click OK, and it will be automatically create halftone. If you want to edit again, you can undo and go to image, click mode and choose bitmap and click OK. For frequency, I will set into 20. For shape, we set into demon and click OK again. So that's it, how to create basic halftones in Photoshop. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.